Hello, I'm going to show you the updates on Aarda. So this is the new land page that we have with, as you can see, a plethora of stories that will be playable on day one. So we have many genres, we have a wellness program, some K-drama, a cozy slice of life story, some fantasy, crime story, and even romance. So to play, this is very easy. You just pick one icon here. You will have a synopsis for the story you want to play. You will click play this world. You will be brought here. You will be beginning your adventure, and you will be picking the hero that you want to play as. Here we're going to play Dargin. We are brought to this map, and this map features many locations that we can go to. And for every locations, we have available characters we can engage in conversation. So for example, we'll go to the king's room and we'll talk to the courtesan that's there, Sigolin. So Sigolin knows about herself, of course, but she also knows about the character that I am. She knows that we are in the throne room, and she knows what's going on. So as you can see, I can engage in a live conversation. I can send her a message. I can tell her, I know I am married, but I must confess I've been thinking about you. And Sigolin will pick up the message, and she will answer right now. Oh, how charming, flattery will get you everywhere, the night. Da-da-dee-da-da. So the next step beyond the conversation is small objectives that will come up soon, but I'll be talking about this in the next video. Now, we have played the story, and that's nice, but how about we want to build one? So if you go back to the line page, you will have play here, and that's what we just did, but you can also click build, and you will have the ability to build the entire story. So this is what it looks like. This is the core of your project. It's all the knowledge about the world, every single information that the system needs to process the story. And we encapsulate every knowledge about the story in what we call knowledge bricks. So a knowledge brick encapsulates one piece of knowledge, and within one knowledge brick you can have sub-knowledge bricks, and within those sub-knowledge bricks you can have as many as other knowledge bricks as you want. For every single knowledge brick, you can choose if this is a public knowledge, so every single character in the story will know about it, or if it's just a specific group, or if it's a private information. So that will be a piece of knowledge that is only at character level. Next, we have characters, and you can have as many as you like, and for every single one of them, you click here, and you have this character sheet, and you can write anything you want. Core description, name, gender, backstory, some traits, some flaws and motivation, and even some emotional stats right here. Next, we have the hero character, and that's a bit different because it's not the character you're going to talk to, but the character you're going to play as. And you still need to put in some information because everyone in the world needs to know something about you. So you put in something pretty similar to the other characters, some core description, a backstory, and also appearance, so characters in the story know what you look like at least. Next, you have your world map. So what you do is that you either upload an image that you already have, or you generate it using Aarda. And once you have your map, you pinpoint locations. And for every single locations, what you can do is that you can assign characters that will actually be in the location. We already feature objectives, but like I said, I'm going to save this for a next video. But basically what it does is that as a creator, I can work on a story flow progression and not just some chats and exploration. So I'll be choosing simple objectives like talk to this character, go to this location and talk to this character about this topic. And once you do that as a player, you will go to the next chapter, and you will really get the feeling of progressing on the story. And now for your next world, maybe you don't want to write everything, you don't want to go through every single knowledge break about it, maybe you just have a storyline in mind. So what you do is that you go there and click generate world. And before we go through the process, I'm going to use this very simple, quick description of the character I want to impersonate in the story. Just that, nothing more. So here, what it's doing is that it's building my entire story and playable world based on this very quick storyline that I gave it. And when that's done, I can explore the world. See what it did? The whole knowledge brick system is here. I have some characters already made. I have my hero, she's here, and all the backstory is ready, and I can start playing.